All right, YouTube. Got a cautionary tale for you. I'm a truck driver, so I'm over the road quite a bit. I come home and this thing has, I don't know, the battery keeps draining on it, so I got to hook it up to a charger. And one time I came home, this was a couple months ago, hooked this up to a charger and did like the quick start on it. Went in, turned the key on. Immediately, this thing's reading 19 volts. And what's smoking? But my PC2350 is just rolling smoke. Is giving up the ghost, which sucks because I love this amp. This thing is a beast. Ran it daily for a few years, and it was really a heck of an amplifier. But when life hands you lemons, just grab a Mosconi. So I'm going to install this, and then let me do that, and I'll start this video back up. Well, all done. There she is. It didn't take me long. It was like 20 minutes. I just had to unplug everything, unhook my battery. Well, unhook my battery, unplug everything, hook everything up, mount it. She's up, and oh yeah, it's a really nice replacement for the 2350. It's hard to compare the two. They're very similar actually in sound. Both really accurate and very powerful amplifiers, and super clean sounding, like count the cycle clean. It's a heck of an amplifier. I mean, I just got this hooked up and dialed in a little bit, and it sounds amazing. So yep, so down the 2350, but you know, not really an upgrade, more of a lateral move to this Mosconi Gladen AS300.2.